Pixie. Ready to check out? Not check out, but everyone you've been here before. We're gonna go to the Spanish Fork Dog Park, huh? Yeah. Loose. Pixie, come. Back up. Back. Back up. Back up. Pixie, come in. There you go. How you doing, man? You're all right. I remember her from last time, or him from last time, so I anticipated it.
Don't do it. Don't do it.
Right in the knee.
Sorry about that.
It's all right. You guys heading out?
Oh no.
Okay, good.
Get some space.
Pixie, come on. Pixie, come. Goodness. Yours is fine.
Okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
I was here last. He's a good dog in general, but he just likes to hump her, so that's why he's pulling her back. She likes to play, and she's a little skittish at first, a little shy.
Okay, so this will hopefully be a good match.
Yeah, and she's good at getting dogs to play. They don't like to play usually, because she's not like up in your face.
What's her name?
Pixie?
Pixie?
Yeah.
Oh, this is Kita.
Right on.
Get out of her butt.
Is it yours a male?
A female.
Female? Okay.
Yeah.
Mine's intact, so she probably smells different. So.
Yeah. Kita just got spayed like 3 weeks ago. So
Oh.
there's still hormones flying around.
Okay.
She said she should settle down in about a week.
Yeah, takes about a month, I guess.
Which would be really nice. It's right now because she's kind of a crackhead. So she does much better when we are after we come home from the dog park. This place helps a lot.
Pixie, come here. She's friendly. Come here. Pixie, come. I know, right?
Goodness.
Pixie, come here. Hey. Pixie, come. Pixie, come. Come here. Hey. She's not, her recall's not great. Come here, Pixie. Hey, Pixie, come here. Pixie, come. Pixie. Pixie, come say hi to the baby. Come here. Didn't think so. Maybe in a minute when she gets her run out or smells out.
Let her be.
Look at the dog.
Oops.
Baby Dan, you're okay. You're okay. Get back up. You're okay.
Pixie, come.
Brush it off.
Pixie, come.
Go. Yeah.
We're gonna work on her recall. Oh, sorry, doggy. Hi. Got some loving too.
Vicky, come here. Come here.
Pixie.
Baby Dan. Come on. Hi. You look at what you're doing. Oh, there's your doggies.
They're more his. Are they puppies?
Huh?
They're puppies, right?
Yeah, they're
Okay.
5 months old.
Right on.
Brush them off. Go like this. Go like this.
Pixie, come.
There you go.
Pixie, come.
Come here.
But I didn't get to say hi yet, and I can't go get him.
Zeke, come here. You want to see the puppy?
Pixie, come. She can't.
He's not fixed yet, so
Oh, okay.
yeah.
I mean, mine's not in heat, but
Well,
she still wants to hump, probably, right?
that's the reason why he's so fixed.
He didn't leave
Hi,
us
Zeke.
alone. Come here.
Pixie, come.
Pretty, huh?
Pixie. Pixie. Hey, if they can't come play crazy.
Kisses. Thank you for the kisses.
Pixie, that's not fair. Because you're teasing, and then he can't come.
Quite the tease, but then again, he's here. All right, guys, it's time for dinner. Everybody, thank you. Have a good one.
Have a good day, bud. What was your name again?
Chris.
Chris, Drew.
Hey, Drew.
See you next time. I should have the video up from our last encounter in about a week. I'm behind on the videos, but it's on her YouTube. If you look up Pixie the CO, all one word, yeah, you'll find it.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Go get him, go get him, Pixie.
Starts dropping.
I'm so scared. She's at least part great period, so I'm like prepared for that mentally. But because my parents have two golden retrievers, so that's what I'm used to. I'm nervous. My husband's never had a dog before.
Oh, he's going, huh?
He's like, I wake up now, I'm gonna go run. Yeah, I'm gonna go run.
Like a lady.
Get him, Pixie. Get him, Pixie. Oh, there we go.
You're fine.
You want to say hi to the doggy?
Okay. You get pushed by your dog all the time.
Yeah, my dog's a little bigger than yours, though.
Oh, that's true. Zeke, come here. Come on, Mama.
Pixie, come here.
Hi, baby. Diesel, go get your baby.
Watch the dog poop if you're walking. Pixie. I'm not trying to get you to go. I'm trying to get you to say hi to this baby over here. Or toddler. Pixie. This way. Hi. You want some attention too? Huh? You want some loving too? Want some loving too? Oh, now you come over when all the other dogs are getting attention, huh? Pixie! Are you about to leave?
What?
Are you about to leave?
No, she just wouldn't leave their stroller alone.
Oh.
Stay close for a second. No, I gotta try and get a little more energy out of her. I gotta study for a test tonight.
Oh, fun.
Hi, baby.
Pixie.
You're so cute. You're like a little bear. Hi.
Oh, I was trying to grab her so I could hold on to get her to sit for a minute. Come here, go say hi.
I see you every day. I don't see doggies like this every day. See, can you say bye to the doggies? Go bye-bye. Say bye-bye. No, you're just going to stare at him?
Bye, buddy.
Bye.
Have a good day, y'all.
You too.
You enjoying the fun, Pixie? Huh?
I can look on Amazon and see if I can find a big one. Just probably
How you doing?
Hey, good, how are you?
Good, thanks. Is that the Legends? Is there a Legends boxing down here, or is it the one up in Salt Lake County?
There's one in
Oh, okay.
closest to here. But yeah, I think there's 8 in Utah.
Oh, cool. Is the Orem the closest one to here?
Yeah, right now.
And then is there one in like Sandy or Midvale?
There's one in Sandy, one in Lehigh, one in Saratoga, one in Cottonwood. Sorry, my dad owns it, so that's why I know.
Oh, cool. I'm like, you know a lot about it.
Yeah. My dad's the founder, so.
Oh, cool. Does he still take? Does he still have control of all of them, or are they kind of like franchises, or?
Franchise, yeah. But all of the franchisees are like people that he knows personally.
Oh,
so
cool.
It's a lot easier.
Yeah, I was listening to a podcast the other day. I forget what gym it was. Bedros, I forget his last name, but he started a whole like gym line,
Okay.
and then got the point where like there's that point when you're in the growth where it just gets like it grows really fast, and then it's not just your close friends, and you got to do all the admin stuff and hire people to take care of all the admin stuff and all that, and you gotta know how to kind of like catch up with it once it gets to that point where it booms.
He tried to do that. He ended up selling it to a different company and just be working as an employee of it.
Oh.
And they ended up losing money, so he bought it back.
Oh wow.
He's
Okay.
like, yeah, no. He's like, I don't want that to happen.
Right. I've never been. I'm familiar with it, and
Yeah.
I got friends that have gone to it or
Nice.
worked at it or whatever. So.
Yeah, I went up to the trolley. I used to live in Salt Lake, so I went to the Trolley Square one.
Oh, okay.
Once in a while. Or actually daily when I was working up there. But yeah.
This is yours here.
Yep. Yeah, that little guy.
What kind is he?
It's a Pomsky
Okay, Pomeranian and
Husky.
Husky mix. Oh, is he still a puppy or?
He is almost 3. Yeah, he's 3 next month.
So he's gonna favor you're not gonna get a Husky near a Husky size.
No, yeah.
Okay.
This should be. He hasn't grown in probably about a year now.
Okay, that's probably his max size.
Yeah, so he's getting medium sized, but he still has a lot of that husky. Like he'll talk and he's got the attitude. He's very smart.
Right.
He was a painful dog when I first got him.
That's the problem. The smarter ones are harder to train. They can be trained, but they know they're smart, and so they don't have to listen if they don't want to, kind of thing.
Like, have a give and take with them.
Yeah, that independence comes with the smartness usually.
Exactly.
Because they're smart, they're like, I don't need you to tell me what to do. I know what to do.
Exactly. Yep. But he's a great dog now.
Get out of there.
And stuff.
You guys have a bag on you?
Oh yeah.
Thanks.
We keep like 3 rolls in here.
Well, I used to carry them in my coat, but I haven't worn my coat lately, so.
As soon as he
Does Kita like balls? Kita. She was sniffing this. Does she like?
The jury's still out on how she feels about balls.
Kita.
Because we don't have them in our house because we have downstairs neighbors. Go get it. Yesterday was actually the first time she picked up a ball and brought it back to me.
Well, she's got it in her mouth. Now call her.
Kita, come.
You all done, Pixie? That's it? We're just taking a break. Probably mine. Or all of them, who knows.
Oh, yeah. Go get it.
Mine does slobber a lot. She's the biggest dog, so.
Yeah.
I was like, no ma'am, we did not put the little dog. Hey, easy. If you take mine. He's only like running down so far. But we're gonna get a 30-foot lead. We have a big courtyard at our apartment. We're gonna see if we can get her going on the pitch. Ooh, be careful. Oh, that'd be sick.
Yeah, mine about took out my knee earlier. She hit me like full force, like right below the kneecap.
Oh, it's the worst.
When she was trying to get away from that Siberian Husky that likes to get on her.
Yeah.
My husband
It's either he either calls her the crackhead or the fur missile. There's no in between. Put the stick down. Put it down.
But it's so yummy.
That was a good girl. You want to come here? Or are you gonna go play? Okay. Wait, I have 2 exams to take, so I need her to be as tired as possible.
Yeah, I've been busy today. I usually try to take him out like once or twice for a walk, but I've just been so slammed at work today that like, we gotta go to the park. We got Renat here.
Yeah, my husband did 2 miles with her, but that's not usually enough. So. Nope.
No?
She's like, I like Jeremy. I'll play with Jeremy. What are you smelling, honeybee?
Something's over here.
Jeez, Pixie. You
Hey.
a little out of breath there?
Kira. Déjalo. Can you do high five? Kira, high five. Come on. Dang. You go play.
She's like, you're giving out treats?
I'm sorry, my dad. Oh! Who was that?
Right now it's Jeremy.
Okay.
Yeah, the one with the orange got the one with and the black one.
Okay.
But then the black one's going right back asking for it more, so.
I love that your dog's name is Jeremy. I love dogs with human names. It makes
It
me so
just
happy.
fits his personality so well too. When I first got his name was Kobe, I'm like, I don't like that.
Yeah.
So I
Her
picked-
name was Whitney, and we were like, that's not it.
Yeah, I picked him up from out of new.
What's going on?
Some kind of, it looks like some puke or
Oh.
Probably.
new.
That is the second round of puke we've seen here this week. There's a pile over there.
People need to quit feeding their dogs right before they come.
Yeah.
Or feeding them garbage. Those are 2 things that would lead to it, right?
Yeah. Yeah, he.
2 main things.
I got him from this family that just didn't want to take care of him. He was way too much
Jeremy.
energy, or he had too much energy, and they were just trying to get rid of him. So I was like, I'll take him. I don't know how.
She was on a kill list.
You got slobber all over you, huh? Wonder whose dog that's from. Maybe mine?
And then she went to a foster for 2 weeks right after she got to the shelter.
How you doing? Yours is like, quit petting the other dog.
Use mine. Said it. It's okay. Hey, it's okay. Yes, I know it's scary. Hey, you not drunk, okay? Yeah. All right. It's okay.
Goodness.
Hey, you guys are over here. You don't leave. Get it.
Pixie, come. This way. Come here. Come here and play with Jeremy. Yeah. There you go. What kind is yours?
Long-haired German Shepherd.
Okay. Is he older or
She's about 8.
she? Okay. 8 years old. That little white one was growling a lot, and but that's why I came over here. But it looks like,
Stay over here.
oh, I can see why they're picking on her now. Pixie, referee.
What's your dog's name?
Rhea.
Rhea? Mine is the white crackhead.
The biggest white one over here.
Oh, I hope you're here later this week. My husband would love you. You're so pretty.
Rhea,
I know she's been wanting to come.
come. Hi,
She's so nice.
girl.
Fida, stay out of it. Stay out of it. Play with the big puppies. Have a good one, Jackson.
Have a good day, man. See you later.
Jeremy's going home, but you are not. She tries to go home with everybody.
I think the little one was asking for it. That's the way they are.
Oh yeah. I think that's how you are too, huh?
Like a little brother, you know. They like mess with the big brother, and then they come crying once they get a little more attention than they wanted to.
Oh yeah. Starting to get a little chilly, huh?
Yeah, as soon as that sun goes down, it drops. Pixie, come. Play over here. Come here. Pixie, come this way. This way, Pixie. Pixie. This way. Jumped right over her, huh? You just see yours jump right over mine?
Yeah, he's a jumper. Very springy. Ready? Like, you want to play?
Right?
It's like, I'm not sure. You're like 5 times bigger than me.
Go play with Rhea. There you go. Play with him, Rhea. Play, Pixie, play with Rhea. There you go. Well, she came over like she wanted to play. Now that Pixie's showing interest, she's like, I don't know. Or the other dogs. Come on, Rhea. Rhea, come. Come on. Rhea, come. Girl.
Valentine on Sunday while she slept,
About done, Pixie? Huh? Tired out? Get in there, Rhea. Get in there, Rhea. 17 months.
Sweet.
Yeah, her mom weighs 180 and her dad weighs 200, so she's got some growing to do still.
Rock on.
She'll grow in height till she's about 2, and then she'll fill out until she's about 3.
What breed?
Caucasian Ovcharka, also known as a Russian bear dog, or Caucasian Shepherd.
Aren't they usually livestock?
Yeah, so that's what they are. They're livestock guardian dogs. They're used to keep wolves and bears away from sheep.
Yeah.
So if
We've been doing lots of research on livestock guardian dogs.
yeah,
Seeing as our girls have.
because I heard you earlier saying she's part Great Pyrenees, probably.
Yeah. She's got double dew claws.
Okay,
And,
gotcha.
which is pretty much only a Great Pyre thing. So the vet he's like, I am like 100% sure she's at least part Great Pyrenees. He's like, other than that, I don't know.
Right.
So
We got German Shepherds. And then puppies and some other.
Yeah, I did a lot of research. I was either going to get a Caucasian Ovcharka or a Borbal. I was leaning towards Borbal just because of the shedding.
yeah.
But I do want my own place someday with like a farm and animals. So, and although the breed does usually shed a lot, the breeder said that her dogs don't shed as much as the breed does in general. And she's an outside dog anyway. Like she stays outside like 90% of the time, especially in the winter.
Yeah.
She prefers the cold.
They usually do.
So if she sheds, I wouldn't really. I mean, she sheds in the car obviously, and she comes inside during the summer when it's hot out. But I haven't noticed it super bad, you know.
Yeah.
She blows her coat obviously in the spring when it gets warmer out. So then she sheds a lot more.
Well, we take her to a
Instead of brushing her once a week, I'm brushing her like every other day. But
We've been trying to brush her every day just to get her used to it, just because we've only had her a couple weeks.
mm-hmm.
And when she goes to the groomer, we want everything to be okay.
Wow, look at that stick.
Right.
Mostly because it's Sally's stick. Leave her alone.
Try to get her. Try to get her.
That's quite the stick, my dear.
I always wish my dog would fetch a stick like that.
She's not very good at it. Fida won't do anything unless another dog is doing it. Over here. Like she loves to put she'll take Mira, déjalo. I'm in a weird situation. I was in Utah's first Spanish immersion program, so like half of my childhood was Spanish.
Yeah, Pixie, you all done, hey? You want to go? Not yet. Okay.
That is a thing. Sometimes it freaks me out how fast she is.
Pixie. It's about that time. You're tired, at least you want to play. You get dark soon and get colder. So you see me coming, you're like, no, I'm not tired. I'm moving.
She's no problem with it.
Hello, she.
How old is she? She's 17 months.
What kind of dog she?
Oh, Caucasian Ovcharka. It's also known as the Russian bear dog or Caucasian Shepherd. They're used in the Caucasus Mountains area, part of the USSR around Georgia and the surrounding countries. To keep. Yeah, well, she's not full grown though. She got about another 50 to 100 pounds ago, so probably 50 to 80 pounds. She's a female, so
Wow.
yeah, her mom weighs 180 and her dad weighs 200. She's probably about 95 pounds right now, maybe 100. She's got a lot of fluff on her, so it's kind of hard to tell how big she is. That big old stick.
Stick up for you?
Wow.
Leave Sally alone. Let her have her stick.
She's like, it's not fair that she can chew on sticks and I can't.
You want a stick?
No, she doesn't. She was chewing on little sticks earlier, and she didn't want her doing that.
As long as she puts them back down, I don't care. But she's not allowed to run the sticks. I do not run with the sticks.
Oh, I thought you didn't want her eating them.
I
She hasn't wanted to eat them, but she will run with them, and that I don't feel great about.
It's a good way to get bit.
Shoot after that one.
You guess that one's yours? That's why you're messing with it?
Hi, sweetheart. Hi, hi. I don't have good treats for you.
Sorry.
These would probably mess with your tummy.
Yeah. She just eats raw, Tucker's raw, and then I'll feed her. There's a place called Pine Hollow Farms over in Bluffdale, and I'll get rabbit feet and chicken paws and rabbit heads and stuff over there.
What's
So,
the name of it?
Pine Hollow Farms.
Pine Hollow.
You can look them up on Facebook. Their phone number's on there.
Fida, leave the stick alone.
Or if you go to my dog's YouTube channel, there's a link to their Facebook there.
Honey,
You were
that's
saying
Sally's
home
stick.
now.
Pixie the CO, all one word, if you search it on YouTube.
Hi.
Pixie, no treats.
These are locally made, but these are not for you, my love.
That's what Mom says.
Go play, my love.
Close, Mom.
I love
Does she just have one sock?
What's that?
Does yours just have one sock, one white foot?
Yeah.
That's funny. She lost her other socks, huh? Pixie, quit. Hey, quit. Go on, go play. Or we can go home. Ready to go home? Ready to go?
She needs it.
She's playing a little game, huh?
Yes, she
wants to stay next, close to the treats, but not ready to go. Okay, then go play. If you're not ready to go, go play.
Kita, we have 15 minutes, and then we have to go home.
So, go play. Rhea, go run. Go play. Get your energy out. Oh my gosh, you've been moping around for weeks. Did you want to come to the dog park?
Same with you, Sally.
When we get here,
I'm sorry, I should stop feeding Kita.
No, that's all right. You're taking care of your dog. She needs to learn. Like, she knows not to bug me when I'm eating.
Yeah.
But it's different. That's dog food. I mean, it's specifically for dogs. but-
Monster paws you got, Mama. Those
Yeah,
are so
she's still got to grow
big.
into them.
Those are so big. Yeah.
I don't.
You're so pretty.
No. No.
Hi, what you doing? Little one still don't want to play with you, Pixie? At least the little tiny white one? You're a lot bigger than her, or him, whatever it is. Rhea, come. No? Hi, Pixie.
See, we've been here like a couple years. So.
Now you have to go play.
It's okay, Kita. She's just playing. She got snapped at yesterday really bad by a different German Shepherd.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Easy, Rhea.
Oh. Oh, your dad's gonna be so mad. Crap. Oh, I need did you get dirty?
Now she's doing a defensive role, trying to get away from Rhea.
Yeah, no, there was a dog here that probably should not have been.
Pixie, leave her alone, or we're going. Hey,
No long of a leash.
back up.
She went after Kita. And
Go play.
So she got a little.
Go play. Well, we can go home. You ready to go? Yeah. It's about time to go, Pixie. Pixie.
From a guy out in the van, and we met him out in the middle of his field, and he had two of his dogs in the van. One of his dogs just she did not like Rhea, and like every time Rhea just went sniffing around, this dog was hurting.
What are you doing?
You trying to go home with me? It's like he's got a leash.
Blue leash.
Oh my God!
Was yours is blue like a blue cord, huh?
I think it was a territory thing.
Yeah. dog. I mean, I'm hoping it's like the guy said he was from like 3 hours away. I'm hoping they don't come back.
Yeah.
As much as I hate to say that, but he went after her and another dog, and I was like, oh. So Stuart, my husband, he just picked her up, and we went to the car because she was not doing well.
Bear, go play. Go get her.
Their dogs was kind of really mean to others. Like, there's one of the two German Shepherds that came, bit this guy pretty bad that died. Like, he was so sad, he grabbed him and left, and the dog passed.
Oh my gosh.
The guy was dog's just back, but...
Well, there's a sign on there that says if your dog is
mean,
don't bring it to the dog park.
I just love that she just like runs where everybody else
Hi, Zoe.
She doesn't know
No.
why we're going, but she's excited to go.
Yeah, see, that's what Rhea does. If there's another dog running, she'll just run with it. She doesn't necessarily run on her own.
There was these two, we were here pretty late last night, and there was these two beautiful Great Danes here, and she had the best time. Because they move way more than she's used to other dogs, and it was a good time. Be nice, Rhea. Kita, it's okay. You're good.
Kita, this way. Come on. Come on. Come on, Kita.
Sit. Good. Good girl. That was way good. Much better than yesterday. Oh, your dad's gonna kick your butt. It's okay.
Let's wait till it snows again and let her roll on that.
She'll roll in anything, frankly, but she had her first big bath on Sunday because it was the first time she could after her spay.
Oh.
But we've had to basically wash her twice since then.
Why did she have to? Oh yeah. Why did you wait until after she was spayed?
Well, so they spayed her right before, like 3 days before we came and got her.
Oh, gotcha. Okay. You
And
just really
then
got her.
You're just not supposed to fully submerge them in water until their scars are all healed.
That makes sense. I assumed that you'd had her for
Oh,
a
yeah.
while before
No,
she got
we've only
spayed.
had her for 2.5 weeks.
Okay.
3 on Sunday.
Hi.
Dad's a good bean. She probably keeps coming. My husband wears hats all the time, and for some reason she really likes it, men with hats on.
Oh, okay.
She just kind of gravitates. So.
Does he have a beard too?
Yeah, he does.
Okay.
Yep.
Huh.
Yep. And he's also really tall, so that helps.
Okay.
You're such a good bean. Yeah. You're being so good. It was really funny because we went to the shelter to meet a different dog that we'd seen online.
Uh-huh.
And this dog, she needs like 24-hour care. She needs serious love. She's been in the shelter for a year and just isn't peoply.
Oh.
She needs a lot of love and
would have separation anxiety probably. If
yeah, and just not something that, like, we don't have the time to take care of her the way that she deserves to be taken care of.
Right.
But they brought her out to help the other dog feel more comfortable. And this one walked up to my husband and just like turned around and like just trust fell into his lap, and he was like, well. And then she just wouldn't leave us alone. You just wouldn't leave us alone. You just wanted love. So she came home with us.
Cool. That's awesome.
Glad we changed her name, but
What was it before?
Whitney. It didn't fit her at all.
Right.
She's not a Whitney. You're a Pida. What do you think, Mama? Are you tired? You tired? Should we go get a pet set? And make sure they leave the notebooks out this time. So you didn't take those.
You ready to go, Pixie? Huh? Bye, y'all. Have a good night.
Adios tomorrow. See you here tomorrow at 3 o'clock.
What's tomorrow at 3? Best when you'll be here tomorrow 3 afternoon. Whoa. Shouldn't walk over my dog, I guess. Oh, they saw the
Yeah.
skateboarders, huh?
Well, and Rhea and Chloe went after them, so.
A couple times ago when she was here, they had a guy on a motorcycle brought his dogs here, and they were all. He came from over there by the school, and all the dogs went and we were on the other side of the fence over there on the other half,
Yeah.
and all the dogs went chasing after the motorcycle noise right up until he came in with his dogs.
Okay, bye, Pixie. Well, it was good to meet you. What was your first name?
Drew,
Drew. I'm Katie.
Katie, nice meeting you.
Good to meet you too. Bye, sweetie.
Have a good night. If you want to look up Pixie on, I got a QR code too if you want to scan that. But if you just look up Pixie, the CO, all one word, because she's a Caucasian Ovcharka. So Pixie the CO, you'll find her on YouTube.
Oh, cool.
Yeah. Have a good night.